In today's video, I'll go over some of the ChatGPT detectors and AI plagiarism tools. A lot of people have been struggling with their, universities, colleges, and schools having these plagiarism checkers, and then, seeing that their content is written with AI. But with these tools, you can actually check it yourself, and you can play around, change some words, and make it so it doesn't detect that you're using an AI. It is actually super simple, and today I'll show you how to do it. Let's go. Today, we'll be using some of these ChatGPT detectors that I found on top of the Google result, and one that a lot of people have been using and I'm recommending, called GPT-2 detectors. So here you have writer.com, DNG AI, Content Scale AI, and ZeroGPT.com. We're also gonna be using Rightful.com. So I'm gonna go over all of those and see how well it can detect the AI text. Right, so first we're actually going to generate a text. So let's do something like write me an essay on AI generative text. So let's just give ChatGPT some time to write us an essay, and then we can use the plagiarism checkers to check how well it can detect the AI text.
A few moments later.
All right, after some time, it generated the text. It gave me this weird network error, but we're gonna copy like half of this text over here. We're not gonna use the whole thing. We're just gonna regenerate the response, but we're gonna use this text and we are gonna put it in the plagiarism checker to see how well it actually works. All right, so first website we're gonna be using is called Rightful. Keep in mind, all the websites will be linked down in the description below so you can check them yourself. And it says over here, see if a text comes from GPT-3, 4, or ChatGPT itself. So we're gonna paste the text, we're gonna click check right here. So now it is running the checker, and boom, 79% likely this comes from GPT-3, 4, or ChatGPT. So it knows that we are using ChatGPT for this one. 79%, that's actually pretty, it's not as high as I thought it would be, but it's pretty good. We'll use another website right now. All right, now we have content at scale. This is another AI detector. Paste or write your content below and you'll know within seconds using an AI content creator if it's written by AI. All right, let's check it out. We paste it in, we click check for content, and we wait. We'll see how long we have to wait. Probably not too long, and boom, it gives us 57% human content score. Unclear if it's AI content. That's pretty decent. So it has 55% predictability, 41% probability, and 75% pattern. All right, so it says over here, which parts are like high likely to be AI generated and possibly AI generated. So you can like swap those around. That's pretty cool. I like that it gives which parts could be AI generated, which parts are not. Pretty nice. Now let's check another website, and then I'm gonna show you a trick how you can actually mess these up and make them think that you're not even using AI. ZeroGPT is another detector right here. This one seems a bit more, up to date and more trustworthy. And as you can see, as soon as we generated it, it says your text is AI generated, 96%. A lot of websites are very, far apart. Like some of them say 50%, some of them say 75%, some of them say 95%. So they're very, very different. And that's something that is not really good for us because we don't know how well the university or the school plagiarism checkers actually are. So over here, it says everything is AI generated. While on the other website, it just told us like the first parts and the last parts were AI generated. So that's a bit weird. We have another website, and I'm gonna show you the trick. And now for the last website, we have GPT-2 output detector demo. This is a very popular website that everyone has been using. I know it says GPT-2, but it works for all the GPTs. So if we paste the text, we just wait a second, and boom, it says 99.91% fake. So it definitely knows this text is generated using an AI. Now, if we go to ChatGPT and we write one simple prompt, maybe we can change some stuff up. Right, so now that we are in GPT, we can just say, write in a tone that is not typical to AI. So it's going to do the same text, it's just gonna change some words up in the tone. And now if we put it in the plagiarism checker, at least it will sound better and it will make the percentage lower. So we can change some other words around and make it like 99% human, basically. So now it is generating the same text over here. As you can see, just few words different, few, sentences played around, And now if we copy paste it, it should give us a human-like plagiarism check. All right, it's done right here. Let's copy paste it and let's check all the websites again. All right, so we go to writeful again. We have our old text. We're gonna Control A and then Control V to put our new text on top. It said 79% before. Now if we click check again, it should give us a lower number, 55% likely. So as you can see, it does lower the number a bit. You can play around with it even more to lower it even more, but let's use other websites. Let's see if other websites are gonna lower the number by even more. Right, content at scale, same thing. We're gonna paste this text. We're gonna check for all content. This one said 57%. Let's see what it says right now. And it should be a bit higher for the human content. It says 63% for human content. Likely both AI and humans. So see, now it's like double thinking, like maybe a human wrote this with the help of AI, not just the AI. And you can see it gives us again the parts that it thinks are AI itself. So on Zero GPT, we actually got the worst thing. We got the thing from 95% to 100% GPT generated. So this tool knows something that we don't. But if we run it through another website, we can maybe play around with even more words and then get this number down. Let's try it out. So this website is called Plagiarism Remover and apparently uses another AI to remove some of the plagiarism. Let's try it out. Let's paste our second text and remove plagiarism. Let's see what it does for us. Right now it is removing the plagiarism and let's see what it can do. So here it is generating even more. Okay, let's wait it out. It's generating more text. You can see which words have been changed. Okay, I like this. AI generative, it says AI generated and stuff like that. Okay, now it should be done. So we copy paste this and then we go to the checker again to try it out. Right, Zero GPT, the one that said 100% AI generated. Let's paste our new plagiarism remove text and let's see what it says, 93%. So it still gives us a high number. It still knows that we are using AI. So you definitely have to play around, see which detectors are working, which ones are not. See which sentences it's telling you that are AI generated and then change those up manually or using some other websites to play around with specific words. So as you can see, it is not that easy to just go on ChatGPT, copy paste the text, put it in your essay and get an A or a good grade right there. As I said, a lot of unis, schools, colleges, whatever, they all have these advanced plagiarism checkers. And even if you use some of the prompts and even if you use some of these plagiarism remover tools, it will not really help you that much. You still need to use a human touch and you need to change some of the words yourself. Maybe ChatGPT 4 will work better with that, but GPT 3.5 is definitely struggling and it will get you in trouble if you're not more careful. If you got this far into the video, make sure to drop a like on this video. And if you haven't already seen my ChatGPT guide video right here, check it out and I'll see you guys in the next video. Anyway, peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.